Hey guys, welcome back. Another update. First and foremost, I want to tell you that it looks like the Rock and Roll Car Show is back on because now KBPI is the local radio station here is sponsoring it, and Willie B gave me a text and let me know that it was still on and he wanted the car there. So we're going to figure out how we can do that, and hopefully you'll see that down there on the 15th of August. So we have quite a bit to do in the next couple of weeks to get ready for that. I'm not going to be in a rush because the car's running. It's driving. There's basically all I'm going to concentrate is maybe a few other things that I want to get working before the show. But in general, basically it's ready to go. So let's go take a look at what we've been working on. So the big thing I've been working on is this center console and the wiring. So as I said before, we've got the parking brake button mounted here. So usually it sits up here with the console, but since we have the gear shifter here, we have to put it there. I did raise up the entire shifting mechanism. It actually was pretty easy. I just put some shims underneath it and longer bolts. It's nice and stable now, and it is great because it goes all the way back and it goes all the way forward, and it doesn't interfere with anything, so that's really nice. It doesn't move the console around, which was what it was doing earlier. We got our new dash in, so basically you can see it running here when I have the engine on. Liking this new dash. It's pretty awesome. Getting different things hooked up. I've got the temperature hooked up. I've got the tach hooked up so far, so I need to do the pressure gauges, which I have the sensors coming, and then I need to do the fuel level. So yeah, it's working out. It's working pretty good. The temperature's reading. It's starting to climb up now that I have the engine on. So pretty happy with this. It's very, very awesome. And then I've been working on making sure that the doors open and close properly. That's been kind of a big pain in the butt, but finally now we're pretty happy with the way that they open and close, nice and easy. Good reveal line between the panels. I'm going to put the rear view mirrors in, one up here as well. We may get the top part of it printed before the show, but I don't know if that's going to happen. So anyway, we'll put in some of the accoutrements, like, you know, the handle covers and speaker covers and stuff like that for the show. We'll have the radio running and working. We'll have the whole car running and working. I'm going to order a shift knob for this. Otherwise, I'm just going to use my Terminator shift knob, which I know a lot of you guys like. So the big thing was the dash. So that was something that, you know, takes quite a while to wire in all the accoutrements for that because it's very sophisticated. Basically, it's all computer controlled, which is awesome. It boots up very quickly. And then when you run the car, you know, you get all of this stuff. He's got it set up. And this is Tino at LCD Gauges. I'll put a link to his website in the description, but he has it set up so that when you open the driver door, the system boots up and gets ready for you to turn the car on. If you don't turn the car on, it just shuts itself off. And it's not like it takes very long to boot up. It only takes a few seconds. So it acts like a normal modern day car dash. But he can do, from what I understand, he can do just about any type of graphic that you're looking for your project. So we now have this Aventador one that we'll be sharing with our friends who are doing Aventadors like Dale and Dario and others. And that way they can get the bezel file and everything from Tino at LCD Gauges so that you have it all ready to rock and roll. So the other thing is that we went ahead and put our Holly back here. I still haven't mounted it yet, but I'm going to do that pretty soon. But it's all wired up and running too. So what it's going to show is basically just a little bit of data. And then what I can do is I can release it from its holder and be able to use it to tune the car on the fly. So that'll be really nice as well. Funny thing up here, I was driving it around last weekend and I noticed something go pop and I thought, oh no, I broke something coming into my driveway. Well, what I did break was I left the fuel cap off. It fell off and then I drove over it. So got a new one coming. So that's pretty important. So there you have it, folks. Basically, just getting ready for that car show. Getting ready for the Denver Auto Show, which is the 15th through the 19th of September. And those are the two shows we're going to do this year. So hopefully if you're in this area, you can come out and check out the car either at one or both. Anyway, we'll probably be doing one system at a time and getting things wired up, making sure they work properly, and then putting in another system just like I had done before. I'm really digging the power distribution module that's fully programmable. If you guys get one and you have any questions, just drop me a line, either on the YouTube channel or at Laser Sterling on Facebook. So thanks again for watching, guys. Subscribe if you can. Keep those great comments coming. We love them. A lot of them are very positive, and then others are very informative, like some people saying, hey, why didn't you do this, that, or the other thing? And then you have to think about it. And then, it's sometimes I take their advice. So, all right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.